Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your settings with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your settings with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Look for the settings option in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on settings to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, you will find various sections like general, payments, and checkout. To reset a specific section, choose the one you want to modify. For example, if you want to reset the general settings, click on General. Review each setting in this section carefully. If you want to restore the default values, take note of the existing settings for reference. You may want to edit fields such as your store name, email, or address. Enter the new values you wish to set or simply clear fields to remove unwanted data. After making changes, scroll down and click on Save to apply them. If you want to reset payment settings, go back to the Settings menu. Click on Payments to see your current payment options. Remove any existing payment methods that you no longer wish to use. To add new payment methods, select the providers you want and follow the setup prompts. Once you're done, click on Save to update your payment settings. Next, if you'd like to reset your checkout settings, go to Checkout in the Settings menu. Review the settings such as customer accounts, contact methods, and form options. Make any adjustments needed to revert to your preferred checkout settings. Repeat these steps for any other sections you wish to reset. For advanced users, you might consider exporting your current settings as a backup before resetting. To do this, navigate to the Settings menu and look for the option to export data. This enables you to revert to your previous settings if needed. Finally, always ensure to check your store's functionality after making any adjustments. This ensures that everything works smoothly for your customers. By following these steps, you can effectively reset your settings in Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.